So we're here to talk about life insurance companies. You know, those folks who bet on you living while you bet on, well, not living. It's like a financial game of cat and mouse, but no one really wants to catch the mouse. Anyway, let's talk about evaluating these companies. It's like going on a date. You want to know you're with someone reliable, who won't bail on you when things get tough. It's the same with insurance companies. You're entering a long-term relationship here. You want to make sure that they can pay up, not just wine and dine you with fancy brochures. So how do you know? Well, first, check their financial ratings. It's like checking their credit score before lending them money. There are these big agencies, AM Best, Moody's, Fitch, S&P. They rate these companies based on their financial health. If they have an A or higher, it's like they're the valedictorians of the insurance world. Below a B, you might be dating a financial dropout. So how do you do this? Visit the websites of rating agencies like AM Best, Moody's, Standard & Poor's, and Fitch. Look at their ratings on insurance companies. For example, a company rated A++ by AM Best is considered superior in financial strength. If you see an insurer with this rating, it's a strong indicator of their financial reliability. Next up, company history. How long have they been around? If they've been in business since your great-grandparents were dancing the Charleston, they're probably doing something right. But if they're younger than the milk in your fridge, proceed with caution. So how do you do this? Research the company's history through their website or through independent financial news sources. Look for their establishment date, major milestones, and any significant changes over the years. For example, a company that has been in the market since the 1900s and has a history of steady growth and adaptation to market changes is likely more reliable than a new market entrant. Next up, claims experience. So this is crucial. It's like asking, do you actually follow through on your promises, or are you just all talk? You want the company that pays claims without making you jump through more hoops than a circus lion. So what do? Check the consumer forums, the Better Business Bureau BBB ratings, and online ratings for feedback on the claims process. Look for comments on the ease and speed of the claims process. For example, if most reviews mention quick and hassle-free claim settlements, that's a good sign. Conversely, numerous complaints about delayed or disrupted claims can be a red flag. Next up, customer reviews. So, sure, everybody reads reviews, but remember, people are more likely to write a review when they're mad. It's like that one burnt piece of toast. You don't forget it. So, take them with a grain of salt, or maybe the whole shaker. So how do you do this? Read reviews on websites like Consumer Affairs or Trustpilot, and pay close attention to both positive and negative reviews for a balanced view. For example, take note if several reviews praise the company for customer service and clarity of information. Remember that one or two bad reviews doesn't necessarily represent the whole picture. Next, financial statements. Next up, take a look at their financial statements. Yeah, it's like reading a boring bedtime story, but it tells you if they're more like Scrooge McDuck or the guy who's always forgetting his wallet at home. You can often find these on the insurer's website under investor relations sections. Look for annual reports or quarterly financial statements. So, as an example, look at their revenue growth, profitability, and assets versus liabilities. A healthy company should show positive trends in profit and a strong asset base compared to their liabilities. So in conclusion, choosing a life insurance company is like picking a partner for the zombie apocalypse. You want somebody strong, reliable, and with a good track record of not leaving people behind. Do your homework, and you'll find the one that will be there for you, rain or shine.